page. Where's the baby's mouth? Behind the cup. Hi, baby.
He's having a drink for him.
The girl baby. Where's the baby's mouth? Oh no, where's the baby's belly button? Where is it? Where is it? Under her shirt. Oh, shut it
back.
There you go. Where's the baby's feet? Where is it? Behind the seat. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Yay. There's a mama. Where's the baby's hand? Where's the baby's hand? Shoot it. Here it comes. No.
Yeah.
He said, I'm just going to be cute. Okay, new book. Where's the baby? Where'd the baby go? Where did he go? There he is! He's hiding under the blue eye.
Something else.
He's